In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a website to Mendeley, step by step. First, make sure you already have the website opened in your browser. From there, go ahead and copy the DOI link if the page has one available. Next, open Mendeley Reference Manager. Once you're inside, click Add References, then choose Add Manually. After that, change the reference type to Web Page so Mendeley knows you're adding an online source. Now, paste the DOI link into the Identifiers field, then click Search. Mendeley will try to automatically pull in the details for you. Once the information loads, take a quick moment to double-check that everything is accurate, like the title, author, and publication date. If everything looks good, just click Add Entry, and the website will now appear in your library. And yeah, that's basically how to add a website to Mendeley. Thank you for watching.